Hey you guys, so since the time I was just a little girl, I have absolutely loved helping in the process of growing some of my family's own food, and be that through having a little garden or through raising meat chickens, or I actually grew up on a goat dairy farm. It was just a passion of mine and I still have it. And so this year, one of my things I really wanted to do was that I wanted to sell a little bit of the produce out of my garden, and we also are raising some meat chickens along with 5 sheep we're hoping to butcher this fall. So all this being said, I asked my younger brother if he'd be willing to build me some type of honor system farm stand. And so I gave him just this little sketch that I had sketched out of a general idea, and he built me this, and it turned out so nice. We had the dimensions so that the shelves are deep enough and tall enough that I could put a cooler inside them, and so that way I can have eggs or I can have some type of produce that needs to stay cool, and I have a place to put it. And then I ended up painting it white, and he put roofing on it, and I just love the way that it turned out. It's so cute. The dimensions, it's about 6 feet tall, and I would say maybe 3 feet wide. It's not huge, but it's a good enough size. I'll be able to hold quite a bit of stuff in it. The stand cost me a total of $90 for all the supplies. Because I wanted everything to tie together and be black and white, but I didn't want to have to go out and spend a lot more money, I just used a cooler that I already had, painted it white, and then I bought chalk paper off of Amazon that you can actually get for a pretty good deal, and it's sticky on the back, and so you just peel it off and you put it on whatever you want. So I put it on the front of the cooler, and then I also put it in the back of the vegetable stand, and that way I can easily change the prices, I can change the product, and it works really well, and it all ties together super beautifully, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Okay, now for the actual things that I'm putting inside of my stand. We have a ton of wildflowers around. We have a lot of roses and just a lot of beautiful flowers that work really well for bouquets. And so I wanted to do some bouquets as well. And because I am no florist, I am now also just doing stems of different flowers you can buy and actually build your own bouquet. So we'll see how they sell. My road is not busy at all, and so I think you could have a lot better success in a busier area, and I definitely would recommend this being something to try if you enjoy gardening or if you have a lot of extra flowers, because I really do think you can make quite a good amount of money at it if you had a busier road. So I will give you an update the end of this summer and let you know if it was worth building and if it paid itself off. But still, I kind of view any amount of money I make as just a bonus to what I'm already doing, because I'm already raising animals, I'm already gardening, I'm already making bouquets, so I might as well make a little bit of extra money in the process. Also, be sure that you look into the laws and regulations in your state and area for what you are allowed to sell from your home, because you might need some type of permit or license depending on what it is that you want to sell. So be sure you look into that first to make sure you don't get some dumb fine for selling something someone's offended by or something. So besides creating a self-serve flower stand, some other options could be eggs or vegetables or fruit from your garden. As most of you know, my husband and I sold our place about a year ago now, and so we're actually staying on my folks' property in a cabin that we remodeled. And so my mom and I kind of made this agreement that I could sell our eggs if I raise her meat chickens. And so far it's worked out really well, because she has a ton of extra eggs. And so I'm able to take these eggs and sell them, and she's able to get back a good deal of getting some meat birds for this fall. I think the eggs too are something you could probably make a good bit of money with, because a lot of organic farm-raised eggs are usually like $4 to $5 here for a dozen. And so that really would add up pretty quickly when it comes to making a bit of extra money. The thing that I love too about a self-serve stand, whether it is a self-serve market stand, a self-serve produce stand, a self-serve flower stand, a self-serve vegetable stand, whatever it is that you're not having to waste your time sitting out there waiting for someone to come and buy something. And so you're able to go back and work in the garden or go to your regular job or whatever it is and still have things being sold almost in a passive way, which I think is really neat. So with my self-serve farm stand, I'm selling fruits, I'm selling some vegetables out of my garden, I'm selling eggs, and then I'm doing wildflowers. We are using the honor system for the stand, and I've had no problems with anyone stealing anything so far. For the first couple of weeks, I just had a jar out that said money on it, and no one took any of the money out that was in it. But my husband did just build me this super cute little wooden box that I will be replacing the jar with, that I can actually screw onto the building. So I think that'll decrease the temptation to steal by a lot as well. Also, I'll link down below my previous garden video, which is how you can survive on 5 vegetables throughout the winter, and what those 5 vegetables are and how to grow them. So be sure to check that out if you're interested. Please consider subscribing and have a fantastic week. Bye, you guys.